I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Breakdance. To successfully integrate with Breakdance, select Bit Integration Pro from the Forms Actions setting. Now navigate Breakdance Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Bit Integrations Pro from drop-down. Click the Save button to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Tutor LMS for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Now click Connect for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the respective action as you want. Select the respective course as you want. There is no user map option, so you must submit the form from the user login. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data will be sent. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to your course page. Here I have logged in the user. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Go to the course page and check. The course is successfully enrolled. Thanks for watching.